Good morning, everyone. Welcome to class 7. Today we will study about history, chapter 2, New Kings and Kingdoms. In this chapter we will study about several major ruling dynasties emerged in different parts of the subcontinent between 7th to 12th centuries. Now the kingdoms like Palas, Gurjara Pratiharas, Rashtrakutas, Chola kingdom in south, and Turkish invasions. The emergence of new dynasties. In 7th century, they were big landlords or warrior chiefs in different regions of the subcontinent. Existing kings acknowledged them as their samantas or subordinates. They were expected to bring gifts for their kings or overlords and provide them with military support. When these samantas gained power and wealth, they declared themselves to be Mahasamantas or the great lords. Sometimes they asserted their independence from their overlords. For example, Rashtrakutas in the Deccan. Initially, they were subordinate to the Chalukyas of Karnataka. In the mid-8th century, Danti Durga, a Rashtrakuta chief, overthrew his Chalukya overlord and performed a ritual called Hiranyagarbha, means the golden womb. When this ritual was performed with the help of Brahmanas, it was thought to lead to the rebirth of the sacrificer as a Kshatriya, even if he was not one by birth. And the another example of Samantas establishing their kingdoms, the Gurujara Pratihara. Harichandra were Brahmanas. They gave up their traditional professions and took to arms. They successfully established kingdoms in Karnataka and Rajasthan. Administration in the kingdom. The king adopted big titles like Maharaja Dhiraja Tribhuvan. The king shared power with their samantas and with association of peasants, traders and brahmanas. Resources were obtained from the producers who were compelled to surrender a part of what they produced. These resources were used to finance the king's establishments and construct temples and forts to fight wars. Functionaries for collecting revenue were recruited from influential families. Prashastis and land grants. Prashastis are details of a king composed by a learned Brahman who helped in the administration. They tell us about the king and his rule. Kings often rewarded Brahmanas by grants of lands. These were recorded on copper plates, which were given to those who received the land. Those who received land could collect taxes Turkish invasion. One of the best known ruler is Sultan Mahmud of Ghaznavi from Afghanistan. He extended his control over parts of Central Asia. He raided the subcontinent almost every year. Mahmud of Ghaznavi made 17 raids on India, and his first raid began in 1000 AD. He appointed a scholar called Al-Biruni to write an account of the subcontinent in his book Kitab al-Hind. Other kings who engaged in warfare were the Chamanas. Later, they were known as Chauhans. They ruled over the region around Delhi and Ajmer. They attempted to expand their control to the west and east, where they were opposed by the Chalukyas of Gujarat. The another Turkish invader, Muhammad Ghori, attacked the Chauhan kingdom. Prithviraj Chauhan was the ruler. He fought a war with the Ghori in the Battle of Tarim. In 1191 AD, Muhammad Ghori was defeated. The another war, the Second Battle of Tarim, took place in 1192, where Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and took the control of Delhi.